Hey, it's Norman with Sta-bil 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to save your fuel system on your classic car or vintage bike by doing this one trick.
Sta-bil 101.
All right, if you have a classic car or vintage bike, you probably don't get to drive it or ride it every day. So it's going to sit, which means the fuel in it is going to sit as well, and sometimes for months at a time. Well, most fuel has ethanol in it, and ethanol is made from corn. And when that sits, that turns into this gunky, sludgy mess that's going to destroy your carburetor, your fuel systems, your injectors. It's just going to clog everything up. Well, there's a fix. What you want to do is you want to get an ethanol treatment. What this does is it basically breaks down the ethanol in the fuel and makes your gas last for up to 5 or 6 months. If you overpour, it's not going to damage anything. It's not going to hurt your engine or your fuel system. And also, it's a well-designed product. See, it has little marks right here with measurements, so you can see exactly how much you're pouring in. 1 ounce treats 5 gallons. This truck has a 16-gallon tank, so if I do math right, I need a little more than 3 ounces. I'm going to pour 4 ounces because overpouring doesn't hurt anything. And then I'll feel good about the fuel that's sitting in this truck in case I don't run this for the next 3 or 4 months. I'm happy. All right, so a lot of people don't know about ethanol gas. You may not even know if you're putting it in your car or your bike. What you can do is when you go to the pump, you'll see something written like E10 or E15 or maybe even E85. What that means is E10 is 10% ethanol, E15 15%, and E85, yeah, 85% ethanol. The rest, well, that's gasoline. All right, first line up here is 16 ounces, this line's 15 ounces, and down here is 12 ounces. I need 4 ounces, so I need to basically pour it to here. I'm gonna do it in 2 steps. I'm gonna pour half of it now, and then half after I fill up. Don't really need to do that, but it makes me feel better that it actually mixed a little better. All right, so now I stop the pour from here down to that line. Perfect. Man, I'm good. That easy. Safeguard, it's made by Lucas Oil. It's a great ethanol treatment. It cleans your carburetor, your fuel injectors, even your valve seats. What's also great, they make it in 3 sizes. You got a 2 ounce, 5 1/4, and the big 16 ounce. So get what works for you. See you on the next one. Oh, listen to that fuel treatment.
Sta-bil 101.